We don't just use AI to go faster, we use it to be more certain. My name is Clements. I'm the Global Head of AML, CFT and Sanctions at TransferMate Global Payments. We have the largest non-bank licensing footprint in the world. My role is to keep the bad guys out of our business and not bother our good customers with over-cumbersome compliance controls, using compliance as a competitive advantage. The main challenge wasn't just volume, it's also consistency and depth. There's variability in quality globally, time-consuming activities such as bank statement analysis, comparing with invoices. All of that takes time and the quality differs. The biggest bottleneck is the manual interpretation of unstructured data. Analysts spending 30 to 40 minutes per activity, and then if there are errors, the remediation of that. We pursued AI because the risk is becoming harder to detect. Vivox stood out because they're aligned with our philosophy, not replacing judgment, but enhancing it with explainable intelligence, strong explainability, and an audit trail.
AI agents work in a fully traceable and explainable mode. What does it mean for the user? That it provides a description of the decision, audit logs, and it outputs the results that are going to be acceptable by regulators and inspectors. So the human feedback will be taken into consideration, and AI will learn based on the human feedback. Again, the final decision is still made by humans. TransferMate didn't want just a speed of implementation. TransferMate wanted to gain efficiency gains with a high level of defensibility and regulatory readiness.
Trust is ultimately really important. You coming over to the Centre of Excellence, spending time with the analysts, spending time with the agents, spending time with the internal champions really helped to build that trust, and that was really super helpful.
The implementation took 8 weeks, where we together with TransferMate showed the first result in production, and then we used granular approach implementing AI agents to other parts of workflows. We were surprised when compliance analysts really understood how the system works, and when AI had received a real human feedback. The key metrics were higher than expected.
The tangible impact has been meaningful, but importantly risk positive. Onboarding times have reduced significantly, deep dive analysis reduced from 40 minutes to 2 minutes in some cases, improved identification of complex risk patterns, and the reduction of false positives has been especially helpful.
One of the biggest challenges is how to make implementation where humans will be confident on every output which is currently done by AI agents.
The team has shifted from processing to interpreting, from manual review to risk decisioning. Analysts now spend more time on judgment, escalation quality, and true enhanced due diligence.
This is the best use case for AI. AI is used for automation of manual work, and complex cases used for compliance analysts.
I think we're lucky we've got some really good staff at TransferMate, and they're very supportive of the AI product and the AI rollout as well.